Good evening, students. Let's revise the topic perimeter and area. So, before starting this topic, we should know what is meant by perimeter and what is meant by area. The word perimeter derived from two Greek words. So, they are peri and metron. Greek is a language like our English, Telugu, Hindi, Malayalam, like all our languages. Greek is one of the language. In that language, we have taken this word perimeter from peri and metron. Peri means around. Metron means to measure. So, what is meant by perimeter? Measuring the boundaries of a plane figure. So, here we are considering plane figures like rectangle, square, and triangle. Let's see. For a circle, that perimeter word is replaced with another word where you have learnt in your geometry chapter. I'll recall it. The boundary of circle, we call it as circumference, not perimeter. Fine. So we usually say the word circumference for the boundary of a circle. And now in this chapter we are going to learn about rectangle, square and a little bit of triangle. So let's get into that. Perimeter means measuring all the boundaries of a plane figure. So let's find out perimeter of a rectangle. So here, see it. To find out a perimeter of a rectangle, we should measure all the four sides of this rectangle. For example, think I have a form. Rectangular form. I have a rectangular form where I have grown a paddy field inside it. So I don't want others to enter inside this form. So I want to make a fencing around it. To make a fencing, what measurement I will take? I will take this measurement. That means this is called breadth. I will take breadth of one side. Only one side fencing is sufficient for this. They can enter from this side or either here or either here. So I have to make fencing on the four sides. So to make fencing on four sides, we should know the measurement of four sides, how much it is. That is nothing but the perimeter of this field. So finding all the boundaries of a particular shape is called perimeter. So here it is a rectangle. So finding out is called perimeter of the rectangle. So here this is length and this is breadth. Let's derive the formula from this. So how a formula will come from this? See here. So here if this is L, this will be also L. That means if this is 3 meters, this will be also 3 meters. If this is 7 meters and opposite side will be also 7 meters. If you see the same book which I have, so see here, this is the length of the book and this is the breadth of the book. How much length? If for example, if this length is 10 centimeters, opposite side of this will be also in 10 centimeters. If this is 20 centimeters, the opposite side will be 20 centimeters. So that's the logic of a rectangle where opposite sides are equal. So to derive it, to find out the perimeter, what we will do, we'll add all the sides. That means 3 plus 7, 10. 3 plus 7, 10. 10 plus 10, 20. So total 4 sides if I add it, I will get 20 meters. Right? So let's see here. I am adding L. I am adding B. L. B. Again L. Again B. So I am adding L 2 times, B 2 times. So I am writing it as 2L plus 2B. For my convenience, I am making it as 2 into L plus B. That means L plus B I am doing 2 times. Okay, I am adding L and B. How many times? 2 times I am adding. So 2 into L plus B. This is the formula of a perimeter of a rectangle. So please remember this formula, 2 into L plus B. So then what is meant by L? L means length. B means breadth. So how the questions will come related to perimeter of a rectangle. Find the perimeter of a rectangle if length is 15 centimeters and breadth is 16 centimeters. They will be giving a rectangle length and breadth and they're asked to find out the perimeter of that rectangle. That means what they have given, if this is their rectangle, They have given us L as 15 centimeters, B as 16 centimeters. If this is 16, obviously the opposite will be 16. If this is 15, this will be 15. So 16 plus 15 plus 16 plus 15. So directly we can apply the formula 2 into L plus B. So 2 into L means 15, B means 16. So do it 15 plus 16 first, where it is 11. That means 31. 2 into 31. Bracket is another form of multiplication. So we can use bracket for writing multiplication. So 2 into 31. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. We have done the problem where both the units are in centimeters. So answer you will get in centimeters. So here the answer is 62 centimeters. Let's see what is area of area of something. So let's understand what is area. The region covered by a plane shape. For example, if we take a rectangular shape thing, if I keep it on a surface, plain surface, not the curved surface, plain surface, how much space it is taking, how much place it is occupying, that is called the area of that particular shape. So see this rectangle, if the outline is perimeter, the inside how much space it is taking it, that is called area of the rectangle. Okay, let's find out area of a rectangle. So to find out the area of a rectangle, let's understand in simple terms. See, for example, there is a small rectangle with me where I have length is 3 and my breadth is 4 centimeters. Always remember the perimeter and area concepts will go only with meter or centimeter or kilometer. It cannot be measured in grams and kilograms. It cannot be measured in liter and milliliters. It doesn't make sense if you touch liters or milliliters or kgs or grams. Why? Because here we are measuring only meters. That means we are measuring length or height of particular thing. So it will come only in meters or centimeters or in kilometers. Remember this point. So let's come back to the area of a rectangle. In area of a rectangle, here length is 3 and breadth is 4. What does that mean? Here 3 means here I have, let me tell you, if I made a rectangle into equal squares, so here this side it will be 4 and here it will be 3. That is the meaning of that length and breadth. So if you see, if you count the squares, equal squares 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 centimeter square. How many squares are there? 12 centimeter. 12 are there. That means 12 square centimeters. This also we can do, write it. See, to find out the answer, we can't draw equal squares in every rectangle. So what we will do? We'll multiply length with breadth. Here 3 into 4. We know 3 into 4 is also equal to 12. So where we can get the answer easily. So here area of a rectangle formula is length into breadth. So here let's take an example. The same example here, 15 and 16 is there, right? So length is 15 centimeter, breadth is 16 centimeter. So to find out area, length into breadth, 15 into 16. I have to do 15 with 16. Let's do it and find out this. So 15 into 16 what? 15 centimeter into 16 centimeter. So 6 5s are 30, 6 1s are 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1 15s are 15. 0, 14, 2. So I have 240. Is this the answer? I didn't write units. Until you write the units for an problem, it's not the correct answer. What units will come for area? If you observe here, here I have centimeter and here I have centimeter. I am multiplying 15 centimeter with 16 centimeter, where I am multiplying centimeter with centimeter. If we multiply any of the unit 2 times, it will come as square. Okay, this we discussed in the class. For example, if I multiply 1 into 1, it will come 1 square. If I multiply 2 into 2, it will come 2 square. If I multiply meter into meter, it will come meter square. In such a way where if I multiply centimeter into centimeter, I'll get centimeter square. If you multiply Meena with Meena, you will get Meena square. Right? So whatever you multiply with the same unit, you will get it in a square when they are in 2. Okay, so 2 times if you are multiplying with the same number, you will get it in a square. Okay, so here the answer is 240 centimeter square. You may get the doubt why we have here centimeter, why we are not getting it centimeter square. I'll give you the reason. Here we are not multiplying actually, we are adding all the units. So I am adding 15 centimeter with 16, again with 15 with 16. So when we are adding this to get the perimeter, unit will not change. Okay. Here unit will change. Why? Because we are multiplying the unit with the other unit. So it will change. Right? So after doing the answer, if you write 240 centimeter, that will be the wrong answer. You will not get the max. Right? Is 3 kilometers and breadth is 300 meters. Can we find out area by multiplying 3 into 300? No, it's obviously wrong. Why? Because here the unit is kilometer and here the unit is meter. We shouldn't do it. Where we have to convert either kilometer to meter or meter to kilometer. We should maintain both the units same to do the problem. Keep this in your mind. Okay. This is all about perimeter of a rectangle and the area of a rectangle. Let's recall. Perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B. And units you will write, if they give centimeter, you will write centimeter. If they give meters, you will write meters. If they give kilometers, you will write kilometers to the answer. Right? And what about the area of a rectangle? If it comes to area of a rectangle, the formula is L into B. That means if they give in centimeters, you will write the answer centimeter square. If they give meters, you will write the answer meter square. If they give in kilometers, you will write the answer as kilometer square. Fine. Next, let's come to a perimeter of a square and also a and area of a square. Let's see perimeter of a square. So if you see it, if you take a square, very first point we'll remember is all sides are equal. All sides are equal. That means if I take A, all sides are A only. If I take 9 of one side, all sides will be 9 only. Right? This is a simple logic of square. When you are doing a formula, when you are deriving a formula for the perimeter, it's very simple. If it is A, we'll add all A's. How many times? 4 times. Why? Because 4 sides are there for a square, that too 4 sides are equal. 4 times I am adding, so 4 times A. If you listen multiplication chapter in your 3rd class, you will know that when you are writing any of the number, like any times 4 times A or 3 times B, like that, it means 4 into A. Right? So here the formula is 4 into A or 4 into S. You can also write it as 4 into side, or you can write it with any of the letter. It doesn't matter. But what is the thing is, you should add all the 4 sides. Or you can use the formula 4 into side. When you are using the formula, if the question given like find the perimeter of a square where whose side is 3 centimeters. That means simply we'll use the formula 4 into 3 centimeters. Here 4 into 3 centimeters, 4 3s are 12 centimeters. See students, when we are writing a formula for 4, we are not giving any centimeters in the formula. So 4 is simple. And here we are writing 3 for 3 as centimeters as they have given in the question. One time only we are multiplying with centimeter. That is the reason here centimeter square is not coming. I am just giving you a clarity why it is not centimeter square. Fine. If we are going to find out area of a square where side is 3 centimeters, what is area formula? Area means what? We'll multiply length with breadth, right? Here, if you take length and breadth, length is also A and breadth is also A. A into A. What I told you, if we are multiplying a same unit with the same or same number with the same, we'll write it as A square, right? So here 3 into 3 will do to find out the area of this square. 3 into 3. That means 3 centimeter into 3 centimeter. 3 3s are 9. Centimeter into centimeter is centimeter square. In this way, you have to solve the problems. Still, if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the class. Thank you.